Hi everyone, today our chapter will be on materials and their properties. Let's check what is materials and their properties all about. What are materials? Materials is a physical substance that we use to make things. It can be metal, plastic, ceramics, glass, and fibers, and some of the main categories for materials. If we look around, everything we see are made up from a material, and sometimes they are more than one. For examples, the clothes that you are wearing are made up from fibers. The chair that we are sitting is made up of plastic. The windows in a school are made up from glass. Can we see any other examples around you? Obviously, we can. Let's have a look in the next slide. Properties of materials. A property of a material is a description of the characteristics where it has, or which it has literally. They are adjectives which tells us about the materials. They have different properties and the characteristics depending on what they are used for. Some materials are hard, some are soft, some are strong, others are weak. These are the list of properties whereby it describes different materials. Shiny, reflects light, strong, it won't break easily, flexible, it can be bent but without breaking. Light, doesn't weigh much. Heavy, it weighs a lot. Colored, they have color. Magnetic, it's attracted to magnets. And finally, bendy means flexible. There are few more such as malleable, magnetic, transparent, translucent, opaque, conductor and also insulator. Now, which are the previous words you could use to describe a pencil? Definitely, they are hard, light, or opaque. A window, transparent or translucent, hard and brittle. A piece of paper, they are light, opaque, and malleable. A fork, shiny, hard, magnetic, opaque, and conductor. These are the properties of metals. The very first one is shiny, whereby they have a shiny surface. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Some are magnetic. Examples of aluminium, copper, iron and lead. Usually they are opaque and they are also strong. These are the properties which are suitable to make metals in many things. For example, tools, bridges, coins, knives, forks and spoons. Can you think of any other uses of metals? What are the uses and properties of this metal? Why is copper suitable for electrical wiring? Why properties they have? They are a good conductor of electricity and they are also strong. Now, why are the saucepans made up of metal? It's a good conductor of heat. It does not melt with high temperature and they are also strong. Let's move on to the question and answer session. Now, what are the properties of metal and what are the properties of non-metal? The properties of metal are known as shiny surface, they are strong, they are malleable, and they are ductile, whereby they can be worn out into wires. Now, what are the properties of non-metal? They have the opposite characteristics of metal, whereby they have a dull surface, thick and brittle, they are non-malleable, and finally, they are not ductile as well. That's all for now. Thank you, everyone.